MoneyLion's Instacash feature is designed to work best when your paycheck is deposited directly into a linked bank account, because that's how the app verifies steady income and unlocks higher advance eligibility. Without direct deposit, access can still exist, but the amount and approval options are usually more limited. By the end of this, you'll know how to still use MoneyLion without direct deposit, what actually works inside the app, and the exact setup steps that increase your chances of getting approved for Instacash. First, here's how MoneyLion checks eligibility. It connects to your bank account and looks for consistent income patterns. That means regular deposits, not necessarily payroll from an employer. So even if you don't have direct deposit, your account activity still matters. What this means in practice is simple. If your income shows up as gig work payments, cash deposits, or transfers from apps like PayPal or Cash App into your bank, MoneyLion may still treat that as income history. The key requirement is that the money lands in a bank account you can connect through Plaid or a similar verification system. Now the setup part. Step 1 is linking your primary bank account inside the MoneyLion app. You want the account where most of your income lands, even if it's not payroll. Avoid linking secondary or inactive accounts, because they reduce verification strength. Step 2 is letting the app track activity for a short period. MoneyLion uses recent transaction history to assess stability, so frequent deposits and low overdraft activity generally help the profile look more reliable. Step 3 is checking Instacash eligibility inside the app after linking. If direct deposit is missing, you may still see a lower advance limit or limited offers, but it can still activate depending on your banking behavior. One important limitation here. Without verified direct deposit, MoneyLion may not unlock higher cash advance amounts or premium features like credit building tools in full. So the realistic outcome is this. You can still potentially access Instacash without direct deposit, but approval depends heavily on your bank transaction history, not just employment setup. To summarize, MoneyLion can still work without direct deposit, but it relies on bank activity instead of payroll verification. Linking the right account matters more than anything else. Consistent deposits increase your chances of approval. If you're trying this now, the next step is simple. Open the app, link your main bank account, and check Instacash eligibility after your most recent transactions update. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes on finance apps that don't explain things properly.